All right, now that you're zeroing in on your core values, let's shift gears and talk about your spiritual gifts. In fact, Romans 12:6 says that we have different gifts according to the grace that God has given each of us. Every single one of you, you've got specific gifts, specific talents, things that God created you to do, and you just do these things exceptionally well. When you think about it, God didn't just give us these gifts for our benefit, but God gave us these gifts so we could make a difference for His glory. Maybe you're good at writing, maybe you're good at organizing, maybe you're good at coming up with ideas, maybe you're good at leading, maybe you're good at repairing things that broke. I want you to think about those things that you do exceptionally well, the things that just come very naturally to you. And as you're doing so, let me ask you some specific questions that will help guide you. 4 questions. Question number 1, what do you enjoy doing most? Ask yourself, what do I enjoy doing most? Another way to phrase this might be this: if I could spend all my time doing whatever I wanted to do, I would do this. What do you enjoy most? Number 2, ask yourself this: what do I do that seems to have the most significant impact on other people? What do they compliment me on? What do I do that has the most impact on other people? Number 3, what do I secretly believe I could do, but I've just never tried? What hunch do you have that I think if given the right opportunity, I could be really good at this? And number 4, what's something that other people tell me I'm good at? Think about it. What do other people notice in you and say, that just comes so easily for you? And then write down, what is something that other people think I'm good at? Now what I want you to do is circle your spiritual gifts and abilities from the list in your workbooks. What I want you to do is I want you to narrow them down to 5 and then write them in the circle. And what we're going to see is God is going to start to reveal how our past experiences, our core values, and our spiritual gifts point directly toward our Chazown.
One of my spiritual gifts is definitely teaching. I love it. In fact, as soon as I learn something, I can't wait to share it with other people.
One of my spiritual gifts that's very important to me is leadership. I can see how things like decision making and leading people has been a part of the way that God has gifted me. And so that's been really a very core and important part of my Chazown.